This is the setup of AlphaDroid. As you can see, the clock is not aligned properly and the SIM signal can see due to Wi-Fi and SIM just combined. First, you're gonna go to Setting, Alphabet, Status Bar, turn off Combined Signal icon. Then after starting the system, we just swipe up. Then go to bottom. This one, as you can see, just add this left padding. We're gonna drag this. Then as you can see, the clock is fixed now. Just revert to the default. Just hold the circle, this one circle, for 5 seconds. Then you're gonna see the value will be default by 5. Tap and right, no need to change. Then after that, back it, go to miscellaneous to fix the play integrity and game spoof to get high FPS in some games. Go to miscellaneous, tap spoofing, tap update game props, then tap update play integrity fix, then done. If the Play Store is not certificate, just tap the fix device issue in the about of Play Store. Thank you. And one more thing, the mode of our SeiUI features are in this QS style. Just tap this Legion Assistant, touch sampling rate, charging speed, bypass, and healthy charging. The healthy charging is the 90% only. The charging will stop to the 90%. Then charging speed control, you can control your charging speed like 68 watts, 18 watts, 10 watts. The 68 watts will charge up to 68 watts, no limitation even the phone is hot or not. Then bypass charging, we have Dolby, just add and set up your preference, then done.